Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. This video will feature a traditional and classic festive Indian halwa made with almonds in under 30 minutes. Have all the ingredients measured and ready. To begin with, let's take 2 cups of almonds or badam. Cover the badam with boiling water and soak it for an hour and keep it aside. After an hour, take a single badam and squeeze it between your thumb and index finger like this to peel its skin, and keep the peeled badam aside. Likewise, repeat until you peel the skins of all the badam or almonds. Now, transfer the peeled almonds to a mixer grinder jar. Add 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 cup of milk, little at a time, and grind it to a coarse paste until it reaches a texture like that of rava or semolina. Look, this is the texture we want. Next, add 1/2 cup of milk to a hot pan. Then add the coarsely ground badam paste. Also rinse off the mixer grinder jar with 1/4 cup of water and add it to the pan. Mix gently on a medium flame and keep stirring for 5 minutes or until the water evaporates from the mixture. Make sure that the mixture doesn't burn at the bottom. It's always good to use a non-stick pan to prepare this dish. At this stage, add 2 pinches of saffron, which is optional, and keep stirring on a medium flame for another 3 minutes or until the raw flavor from the badam fades. You know, adding saffron makes the dish rich as it has a distinct flavor. You can see the water has evaporated. At this stage, add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Mix the sugar and the badam mixture on a low flame until the sugar melts. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. You can try this recipe during this festive season and let me know how your family enjoyed your dish in the comment section below. You know, there is some hard work involved in this recipe. All you need to do is keep stirring, stirring and stirring until you finish the dish. The golden color from the saffron is pleasing to the eyes. Now add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the dish and keep stirring for another 2 minutes on a medium flame. When it's bubbling away, add 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. You know, it's a perfect, rich and heavy dessert for any festive occasion. Actually, you'll need a cup of ghee to make the dish, which we will be using in batches. Keep stirring for 5 minutes on a medium flame or until the ghee is absorbed. At this stage, add another 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and keep stirring on a low flame for another 5 minutes. Be careful while preparing this dish. It'll splutter a lot, so use a long spatula for stirring. Again, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. You know, our dish is almost ready. As you can see, it is not sticking to the sides of the pan and also it is not spluttering. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. See, it's not sticking to the pan at the bottom and it has reached the right halwa consistency. You know, our dish is nice and done. Now put off the flame and garnish with few badam or almond slivers on top. You can serve this hot or at room temperature. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This badam ka halwa has its own unique flavor and chewy texture. So try this in your kitchen and enjoy. I'll meet you with another exciting and delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.